Hello traders, welcome back to Noob Shark's channel, and today we are gonna talk about a very important guy named Leonardo Fibonacci, an Italian mathematics guy. And okay, let's talk about this guy first very briefly, okay? Then we go directly to the chart and see how much Leonardo can help us to improve our profit rate. But before, let's check our intro, and I come back in less than 50 seconds.
Welcome to Noob Sharks, the channel dedicated to provide the latest trading knowledge. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, we've got you covered. If you're into cryptocurrencies, we'll keep you updated with the latest news and trends in the market. And if you're a stock, forex or commodity trader, we'll give you the edge you need to succeed in the market. Our focus is on providing quality education, so you can make informed trading decisions. So, if you're ready to take your trading skills to the next level, smash the like, subscribe, turn on the notifications and share with your friends. If you want to support us, you can donate your bats from your Brave browser or check the video description for great opportunities on affiliate links, donation wallets and our great merch store. Buckle up and get ready, we are about to start.
And we are back, and of course, then I'm gonna talk. I won't talk about Leonardo's life, okay? I just put it here because I think that you might be a little bit curious. Just don't do what people do. They put the indicator on the screen and start trading, and they don't know nothing about the history of the indicator or the people behind it. Okay, so just very quick, Leonardo was a mathematics guy, okay, and in fact he didn't invented nothing really new because he was traveling a lot with his father Guglielmo, and he was a very important merchant. And he was traveling a lot, making business and blah blah blah. And Leonardo had the chance to get in touch with cultures of Africa, Asia, and blah blah blah, and saw this sequence. Okay, and I will discuss about the sequence here. And today, what we want to do, and people are doing, is to apply the magic. Okay, I'm gonna call the magic numbers of Leonardo. Okay, into trading. Okay, just one tiny curiosity, and I don't know if it's written down here somewhere. Yes, it is. Okay, it's here. Okay, his name was not Leonardo Fibonacci. His name was Leonardo Bonacci, but everybody was telling that he was Leonardo Filius Bonacci. It means that he was Leonardo, son of Bonacci. And in the end, he got Leonardo Filius Bonacci, Leonardo Fibonacci. It's so funny, this kind of stuff. But now you have at least one curiosity about our friend Fibonacci. Okay, his name was not Fibonacci. Okay, but let's stop with the bullshit. Let's go directly into the chart. But in the end, what happens? Leonardo set up a sequence of numbers. Okay, and this sequence has a certain ratio, and as this sequence is found in a lot of places of nature, people thought that maybe, when we bring this ratio to trading, okay, we could find good ratios of support and resistance. Okay, and that's why we have the Fibonacci retracement tool, and this is the tool we are going to use today. Okay, this is extremely simple, but I'm going to talk a little bit about this tool, and I will show you the settings I use. Okay, my settings, my personal settings, and then you can take your decision. Okay, is Noob Shark settings the best one, or should I look for another one? And I personally think that with the settings I'm gonna show you today, you will increase your win ratio. Okay, first, to draw Fibonacci, okay, you see my candles are really colored here. You know why? I have one. I'm addicted to this indicator, so I wrote down this indicator. Okay, you see, I call it institutional volumes on candle. Okay, but basically it plots here on the candle the relative volumes based on the trading volumes here. Okay, So I can see if in one candle I have a lot of volume or not, okay? If you want to get used to this indicator and also have access to this free indicator that I made, just check this card here, okay? I'm gonna leave here. Would you mind if I keep all my candle colors here, colored candles here? I hope not, because you're gonna see them a lot of times in this channel. But check the cards, check the what is behind it, and you maybe enjoy this too. Remember, it's a free tool, okay? There's no charge on it, okay? Okay, there's a lot of people that makes a lot of videos in YouTube like magic, so I won't do this, okay? I'm gonna come to real life and I'm gonna show you how to use this on a daily basis. So you have to come here, okay? You have a lot of tools here, and I'm gonna take Fibonacci retracement, the theme of the video today, okay? So the idea is, if the price is on an uptrend, okay, I have to find a bottom, I have to find a top. Okay, so I have a swing low, I have a swing top, and I trace a Fibonacci from here to here. Okay, and what does this show me? Let me give a zoom here so we can look at this very clear. Okay, I have the Fibonacci levels here. Okay, and you can see that I have the bottom here on number 1. You see here 1, and I have the top here on number 0, right? And you have the Fibonacci levels here, okay? 236, 382, 0.5, 618, 786. And what we expect? We expect the price to come back in one of these levels and then start the trend again, okay? So we know, guys, that the price moves up and then for some reason, somehow, okay, the price starts to go down, and we expect the price to respect one of the Fibonacci levels to then keep on the trend that the price is at the moment. Okay, this is the basis of it. Okay, so you cannot, for example, you can see on the chart we are on a bullish trend, right? The trend is bullish here. Okay, the trend is bullish, so I expect one of the levels to be respected and then keep on surfing this bullish trend, okay? And how to do this? There's a lot of people that makes mistakes because they open long positions when the price touches the Fibonacci level. And this is wrong. This is really wrong. Because if you do this, you would get liquidated here and also here and maybe even here, okay? Only these trades were profitable. Okay, were very profitable, but before getting this trade profitable, you had 1 stop loss, 2 stop loss, or 3 stop losses. Okay, so first, I don't like to use these Fibonacci levels. Okay, I made a lot of study, I paid a lot of courses, okay, and then I came to my own setup. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna get here my standard. Okay, this is my standard to use Fibonacci. First, let me show you the levels I use. So I will come here to settings. Okay, and first, okay, 0 is here. Okay, I use the 3A2 level. I use the 0.5 level, the 618 level, and I use the 3 levels here that the people normally don't use: 786, 833, and 88, and of course the top, that is 1. Okay, there is another thing I like to use. Okay, let me keep here so you can have the chance to look a little, okay, and maybe write down or set your Fibonacci, okay. On coordinates, oh no, it's here, not coordinates, sorry. There's one more setting I like. It's here. I like to have the labels on the right side, okay. I don't like to have the labels on the left side because most of the time I draw Fibonacci and I see the price moving here. And if I leave the levels at the left side, I cannot see them clearly. Why do I work only with a 3A2 0.5 and 618 because I realized that other levels, they are not really significant. Okay, this is the first reason. And the second reason is I like to use also Fibonacci extension. So I don't know if by the time this video were made, if I already have a Fibonacci extension on the channel. You have to search for the Fibonacci playlist and find it there. If you go there and you don't find the extension, just get subscribed on the channel. Please turn the notifications on because sooner or later you're gonna get this video. Okay, but what do I expect? I'm gonna show you the magic here. Okay, first, if the price respects 382 and move up, there is a very, very big chance to break the previous top. Okay, if the Fibonacci levels goes on the 0.5 and respect this level, there is still a chance, but it won't be that hard at first. Price will probably stay a little bit sideways and then go up. The same on 618. And this level, I call myself, this is my term, okay, you decide to use it or not. And this is also a term that we use on our mother language, on my mother language. So I don't know if it makes sense to use it in English. We see that this is the friendship limit. If there's a slang in English to define this, okay, please help me and comment this below. So in order to keep on being friends of this trend, okay, this is the limit. This is the limit of friendship. This is a last pullback zone. If the price doesn't pull back here, probably will destroy the previous swing low and start a downtrend. Okay. Augusto, please tell me why these levels, guys. It was a bunch and back test and forward test and some books I wrote and courses I made, and in the end I decided to use this configuration because it's what gives me the highest win rate. Okay, and you decide to use it on your daily basis or not, just do the same. Okay. And the other thing that the people are making a lot of mistakes is when price touches here, people are already opening long positions or short positions depending on the situation. And what I like to do, I'm here on 15-minute chart. And guys, please, this works on the weekly chart, on the daily chart, on the 1-hour chart. It works on crypto, on Forex, on stocks, or whatever it is. It works on all time frames. Okay. So what I like to do, I like to come here. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna do. Let me try a little. Then I'm gonna show you how to work with it. Okay. Let's make some other testings here. Okay. For example, you see this other wave, right? Okay. So there was here, and if you draw it again, look at that. 618 again. Okay. If you draw it again, you keep on drawing, you keep on finding coincidence. In this case, you have from top to bottom 382. Okay, if you get this next wave, okay, here, more or less here, you have a respect to the 382 level. Okay, if you have, now, there you go. Look at this here. If you get this other area here, come on, this other wave, it was on the limit of the friendship. Went up, was not able to recover or retake the 0.5 level. And finally, look what happens when I talk about this limit of friendship. Come on, come on, come on. Don't play games with me, Fibonacci. I just want to extend you a little bit to the right. You're going to see that these levels of 786, 833, and 88, when they are broken, they are truly broken. Okay? They are really broken. And look at what happened here. Okay? And I'm gonna keep on playing here to increase your ability. Okay? Because there's another way to use it. It's from top to bottom. Normally I use from top to bottom and from bottom to top, sorry. Okay? You can also use your Fibonacci extension or retracement, sorry, when you find a thing like this. You have a top and you have a bottom. And you draw from here to here. Okay, I have to do something to make it more visible or more, I don't know, easy to see. And let me push this a little bit to the side. And you also have Fibonacci levels here. Here, 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 here. Got it? So you can do this both ways. You can draw it from the bottom to the top. Okay, I have a bottom here. I have a top here. Okay. And you have a top here and a bottom here. And you can do this the opposite. Normally what I do, okay, see, it's simply beautiful, isn't it? Okay, you have from here to here, and you have a small inspection here, a rejection, and finally it respected the 618 level. Okay, so when the price drops, I like to do it this way. When the price goes up, I like to do it this way, but you can use it in both situations. Okay, let's see. So you just cannot get into the trade blindly. You have to. Okay, I'm gonna show you what I do, and maybe this will help you a lot. Okay, just one important thing: use only Fibonacci might not give you the best edge. Fibonacci is one tool. You should combine this with other trading indicators. I don't know if you like, for example, RSI or ICT setup, SMC setup, trend lines, support and resistance, and so on. But I don't use it alone. Okay, I use it as an additional tool to give me an edge to get into the trades. Today we are going to talk about only Fibonacci retracement, but think about combining this with other indicators to make your entry more precise. But for example, let's get one situation here. Okay, I have one price up, we have one correction, and it seems that perfectly respect the 0.5 level. But pay attention with me. You just know that the price respected the level once it respected the level. Okay, you cannot place your trade right on the candle that closes here. You can have, you must find a, something to help you to get into the trade. And one thing that I like to do, okay, as I told you before, you can use it on any time frame. Okay, but then once you see this, you drill down into time frames. Okay, maybe if I am on 15 minutes, maybe I will go until 1 minute. And what I want to see, I want to see a reversal pattern. I need to see a reversal pattern on lower time frame. Okay, let me mark this down so I won't get lost. Let me go to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and see if there was a price reversal pattern or whatever on 5 minutes. Okay, you see I don't have anything here. 5 minutes doesn't give me a very clear edge. Let's go to 1 minute time frame and let's see. Oh, come on, Noob, it's so dangerous to make trades on 1 minute. Where did you hear that? It's dangerous to make trades without confirmation and blindly. Okay, but if you have some confirmation and some additional info, it doesn't matter in what time frame you are making your trades. Okay, you will have a better edge, and here it's very clear for me. Okay, though the volume of this token was really low. Okay, if I was saying this, okay, 0.5, okay, you can see here, you can see easily here. Okay, can you see it? What reversal figure can you see here? Okay, there are two things. Okay, you can have, for example, this support breakout, or this resistance breakout here. But if you pay attention, you can see one shoulder, one head, and another shoulder here. And you can see a neckline here, right? And you can easily place your trade here. Once it is broken, with the stop loss below it, and you target at least the previous stop. And this would be a great trade. And see, if you were making this entry on the 15 minutes time frame, it wouldn't be as profitable as if you go down on time frames, find a reversal pattern, and then you place your trade. First, your risk reward ratio will be much better. If for some reason your stop loss is hit, it's gonna be a much lower stop loss than if you plan your entry on 1 hour time chart. Third, if you look only to the time frame you are analyzing and don't go down to find a better entry, a lot of times you are gonna just lose the entry. Okay, so if you have some doubts or some additional comments, just place it here and I'm gonna answer them one by one. Thanks a lot for your audience here, and please understand I'm gonna be here full time to give you all knowledge I have to increase your profit, your P&L and your win ratio. See you then, guys.